Situated on the grounds of the Misty Hills Country Hotel and just 15 minutes from Linsara Airport, the award-winning Carnivore Johannesburg restaurant is the place to be. Celebrate all your joyous occasions with family and friends and feast like a king at Africa's greatest eating experience.
Welcome to the Carnivore. This is our menu here. It's a set menu. We call it Africa's greatest eating experience. We actually serve everything to your table. Starting with the soup with a homemade bread. The soup tonight is pumpkin. After the pumpkin soup, we bring you the lazy Susan with 6 different kind of meat sauces and salads. Some mealy pap and a gravy and some baked potatoes. And then it covers to serve everything to your table. We have normal meats and a game meat. Starting with chicken giblets, chicken wings, chicken akitori, pork sausages and a pork spare ribs. Then our game meats tonight is venison meatballs, venison sausage, eland, kudu, impala and a crocodile.
Tower for the really Carnivore, which is double vodka, honey, sugar, lemon, and then some ice.
If you can't take any more, you just lower the flag on your table as a sign of surrender.
Carnivore is part of the Recreation Africa Group, so you can also enjoy a fabulous stay at the Misty Hills Country Hotel with stunning conference facilities and luxurious spa in the country. Recreation Africa's Carnivore Restaurant and Misty Hills Hotel, a proudly African experience.